Today we are going to build a body xylophone with this! My name is Tom. I work with the 5 senses, with movement and imagination. This Embodied Learning at Home series is for all the parents who are stuck at home with their children during this pandemic. We are going to use only materials you already have in your apartment. Please stay safe and have fun. The body xylophone is perfect for feeling sound and vibration around, on and inside your body. It's great for developing the perception of the whole body. It's useful for those moments when your child needs to self-regulate or transition. It's amazing for eye-hand coordination. It's ideal for learning how to find the own voice by using body and movement. This is what you need: cardboard, wooden spoons, masking tape, wood, and then you need a stick and a ball to build a mallet. And now let's talk about mallets. The mallet is important for the development of fine motor skills and tactile experiences. I chose a wooden spoon because it reminds me of baby rattles. It has the same shape and it covers the same function, as you are holding the spoon like this while you're playing the body xylophone. The thumbs will do certain type of work, so there is a tactile experience and the sensory motor experience for the concave part of the spoon.
And there is another type of experience for the convex part of the spoon.
This is, in my opinion, the best mallet you can find at home. If you want to get something even more stimulating for the fine motor skills, you can use sticks like this. I love using squash balls. You make a hole into the squash ball, then you stick your stick inside the squash ball. The hand holds something that is irregular. It makes an incredible tactile experience. Squash balls are pretty expensive. Likely you'll have a handball at home. I would like to show you how to prepare the mallet. I will use a glove, a big paper clip, my squash ball, make a first tiny hole, and then once I have the hole, then I can remove, and I will use a screwdriver to finish the work. It pops. This is the hole. I grab my stick. We are ready to go. And now, let's put this xylophone together. Now we need to build the bars of our xylophone in a way that not only our ears or hands can touch the sound, but also the whole body. Basically, what we have to recreate by using cardboard is something that has the structure of a soundboard. Fold your cardboard at least in 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. We will use this part folded to build our body. This is what we have left, and this is exactly the movement that you should make to create this type of structure. When this is done, to keep it in shape, you need some tape. Starting from the top, you pull your tape by feeling the tension of the cardboard. It's basically like pulling a string. Now it's perfectly tense. Now you have to try to do the same on the other side. You stick on the top, you pull on the bottom, you measure with your eye, you can see a triangle. More or less it's the same length. You let go and you see that the box is holding. Now you can do the other side. That means we need to flip, and we start from here. We tense. And now we do it on the other side. Okay, this is the construction. Build as many bars as you need, and let's go and test them. There are a few things you can add. Wrapping paper roll that I can use as a bar of the xylophone. I can use it as a mallet as well. And what I can add, especially for those children who are looking more for finding their voice, seeing themselves and being seen in the outside. A mirror where you can see part of yourself while playing. It's incredibly easy and incredibly interesting. And one final thing is to enable to see yourself by mirroring the upper body and your face while you're playing. These plexiglass mirrors are very safe and very cheap, and you can find them in the stores of a very popular Swedish warehouse. It's not a competition. You don't need to play together the same rhythm. The only fact that you are sharing the same sensory experience makes you great partners in learning. Please press the red button and subscribe to this channel, and then post all your photos and videos of body xylophones on social media by quoting @embodiedlearning and #embodiedlearning so that I can follow your progress. If you have a question, use the comments below. I'll see you soon. Cheers.